Aditi is still with us outside the BJP headquarters, and at the same time we're getting some live shots from Lucknow on puja being performed for Narendra Modi. Aditi, the sense that one is really getting at this point is it will eventually depend on the numbers that the NDA gets, on the kind of power that Narendra Modi will be able to wield over the RSS. If it is a weak government comparatively, as they are cobbling up the numbers, perhaps they will have to listen to the diktats even more.
Absolutely. In fact, that is what we have been reporting at Headlines today for the past 2-3 days, Maruk. That all depends on the numbers. Right now, the BJP is just trying and testing the permutations and combinations. They have not left out the number. They are using the arithmetics of deciding at if there is a particular number that the BJP-led and NDA government achieves, then who will get what portfolio. And if you remember, Maruk, it is not only the BJP leaders that Narendra Modi has to accommodate. He also has to accommodate the senior leaders of the NDA as well. So it's not only L.K. Advani, Sushma Swaraj, Rajnath Singh or M.M. Joshi. We have other leaders of the various other parties who are supporting Bharatiya Janata Party at this point of time as well. So clearly, if they do not get the numbers, they have to re-strategize their policy about what they are going to do, who is going to get what portfolio. So they have made a list of different permutations and combinations, and all will come to place tomorrow when they will exactly get to know what numbers the BJP has achieved, Maruk.
Okay. Aditi Anand Narayanan giving us more details there, and just to see those pictures coming in from Lucknow of prayers being carried out for Narendra Modi. Moving on now. In fact, my producer wants to show you some more of those pictures. So those are pictures coming in from Lucknow, and this prayer being performed for Narendra Modi.